The ratio of Isabella's money to Shane's money is 3 to 11. If Isabella has $33, how much money do Shane and Isabella have together? Use diagrams to illustrate your answer. We're going to draw this ratio. So we're going to use 3 boxes, and then we're going to use 11 boxes. So, if Isabella has 33, Isabella to Shane, Isabella has 33, how much needs to go in each of those 3 boxes? That means 33 split into 3 groups. Each one's going to get 11. Since the ratio is 3 to 11, that means 11 needs to go in all 11 boxes. So there are 11 boxes with 11 in it. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Use a place value spacer. Add them up. And that means Shane has 121. But the question it's asking is, how much money do they have together? So we need to combine their 2 amounts. 3 plus 1 is 4. 2 plus 3 is 5. And then we have the 1. So they have $154 together.